All right, everyone, take a look at this. I'm at a very cool location out here in the Mojave Desert. That's right. You have probably seen this location in countless movies. And it is a movie set. Yes, the Four Aces Ranch movie set, everybody. Just screams Mojave Desert. And I'm out here in this part of the Mojave conducting some business. That's right. And I decided I'm not that far away from this location and I wanted to stop and take a look at it. So I'm going to just walk around, show everyone this, because I'm sure you're not really out in these parts. And if you are, maybe you have stayed here. Or not stayed here, but stopped, I should say. But yeah, the Four Aces. There's a whole bunch of Western Joshua trees all around, but this is such an iconic property. Yeah. Four Aces. Yeah, I've always dreamed about coming out here. And I thought, well, today's the day. Let's do it. But yes, this is the property. Yeah, behind the property. Countless horror movies have been filmed here, and I can see why. A moment ago, this road was really busy, but now, not so much. But anyway, this is the Four Aces, and I'm, happy to share it with everyone, because it is definitely an interesting location out here in the Mojave Desert. Definitely. Yeah. One last walk around. So be sure to subscribe, turn the notification on for my channel. That way, when I release videos, you'll be the first to know of the video being released, as well as when I do decide to go live as well, because I do enjoy doing live videos and having a real-time exchange as well. I have a lot of additional videos I plan on making covering a wide variety of Las Vegas content. So thank you again for coming along. Bye.